Hi everyone, Scott Smith, sunny Southern California. Check out this beast we're gonna shoot for you today. Yeah, perfect sunny day for a new BMW M3 in frozen black metallic with the competition package. Check out those 20-inch wheels. You got a 20 by 9 inch up front, 20 by 10 inch in the back, style 666M. They exclusively come with the competition package on the BMW. And I got some great news for my followers and anyone who's potentially thinking about the competition package on the M4 and the M3. It looks like BMW is going to offer black 20-inch style 66Ms for the 2018 model. So we are very excited for that. If you do check out the M4 GTS video that I did that has 19s up front, 20s in the back, it's actually this style wheel, but definitely painted in that exclusive color with the orange highlights on that. So just in case you want to kind of see what it would look like, at least with some type of paint job on it, check out that M4 GTS video. Also want to mention, guys, I'm looking for some more beautiful female co-hosts for my videos, I should say. So definitely, you live in the San Fernando Valley, Southern California, Santa Barbara, Ventura County. If you know any ladies that would definitely like to get more social media attention, definitely would like to do some walk-arounds on BMWs, please send me an email. Let me know, definitely. Especially if they have any time during the week, Monday through Friday. So let's get back to the car here. Let's move up closer to these awesome wheels. You got 265 Series 30s up front, 285 30 Series in the back, and I think we've got some nice Michelins on this model here. I'm going to show you some more highlights on this competition package. Let's move up front. So you can see the double kidney grills there with that M double rib signia, the M4. It's in black. That's included with your competition package now. And you can see we've got the LED, full adaptive LED headlights on this one. The flickering is actually from filming on my camera, guys. It's not the actual car, just to give you the heads up. Also, now these brakes, you've got the M compound brakes standard on here. So you got 15-inch rotors, 4-piston up front. Great paint job on there with the M symbol. The back, you got 14.6-inch rotors in the back and 2-piston caliper setup. They do black out the M4 side gill here symbol, so that's all blacked out for you. Let's go ahead and move on to the back, get some rev time with Trish, but check out that paint job. It's not a wrap, guys, that's a full-on paint job from BMW. Awesome rev time there. Also, you can see the excuse me, the black pipes. So the black pipe tailpipes there, they come with the competition package, because normally you'll see chrome. Also, you can see that rear track is almost an inch wider than the front track. Also, they've blacked out the M4 for you there. A lot of detail in that rear bumper, front bumper for the M series cars. Some very nice contact to the road with those Michelins. All right, let's move up front. Meet my co-host. Excuse me for the dry throat right now. Okay. Hi, Trish.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good. It says engine compartment hot, open carefully. So we'll see how it is.
Okay. Okay, no flames, that's good. No, we're doing great. Awesome, there's that signature carbon fiber strut brace coming all the way to the front of the car, help with that rigidity. Now you've got an S55 engine in here. It's a 3-liter inline 6. It's got 2 mono-scroll turbos on it. Now the standard engine produces 425 horsepower, but with that competition package, you get 444, and your torque's at 406, 0 to 60 on the standard engine, 3.9, and they tell us with the competition package you're going to 3.8, 0 to 60. All right, definitely. So what I'll do is let me close this up. Now curb weight on this car is just under 3,600 pounds. The vehicle's 184 inches long. Let's see, I think it's just under 74 inches wide and around, what was it, 54 inches tall, I think. So let's go ahead and show out the trunk. Let's do that. We've got about 11 cubic feet of storage back here. We definitely have the fold down 60/40s in here. Floor mats are included. We'll have Trish pop the bottom storage. She'll pull the seats first, so she'll unlock those for us. And then go ahead and open up the bottom, Trish, down here. We can show them the mobility kit. So right down here.
Got your mobility kit under here.
Yeah, because you do not have run flats on this car, so it is to help out in case you get a flat. There's the front license plate mount, cargo net, because we don't drill those in unless the owner wants that front mount drilled in. Also, your battery is actually over here on this side. That's why you got such great balancing with BMWs. So you wouldn't do anything with the battery there if you actually needed to jump the vehicle. You would still do that up front. Now the drive shaft is carbon fiber in this. I think it's about 12 pounds lighter than a convention one. Also the double clutch transmission, I think is around, let's see, was it 26 pounds, I think? Lighter than the previous generation M3's transmission. If you guys remember those high rev V8s we made for a while. Just some more information. Let's go ahead and go over the sticker with Trish, because we're right in the sun right here. So let's see if we can get, there we go. So Trish can read that.
Of course, 2017 BMW M4 Coupe. And you can pause at this time. A lot of people like to do that. Driving Assistance Plus, Executive Package. You can see all of the great features within those packages. We have the lighting package and the M Competition package. Total suggested retail price, $94,445. That's in USD.
Here's your mileage rating, 1724 with an average of 19, and also your final assembly. So cool, what we'll do now is we're gonna have Trish get in the back seat. So I'll have her do that. She can show you how to operate the seat here. Let's do that.
Okay, so you are going to press this lovely little button here.
There we go.
And that will move the seat forward. It's already
And I think,
forward,
yeah, we put it all the way up already. Then you can pull that forward. Trish is 5'9" without the heels, so she's gonna jump in the back. So there she is. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you with that competition package, since we're in the sunlight here, you do get these competition front seats. So very cool with the openings on both sides. Just a nice touch. Very nice and deep dish too. There's a lot of support. You can adjust the side bolstering. Really nice leather. You can see the stitching and the design they have there. Also the cool M badge will glow at night when you unlock the car to get in, so it got some nice ambiance. There is no lumbar support obviously with these seats, but I can tell you guys they're very deep, very supportive, so try them out. So what I'll do is let me go around to the other side. Check that car out. Yeah, just tint the windows. Man, this thing would look awesome. Okay, Trish. Looks like she's gonna put down that seat. Let's do that. So you can see we do have some utility. You got, 60/40 split to get to that trunk. Very nice, just in case you do get something that doesn't fit. At least you don't have to have it sticking out the window. And you can see Trish, she's got good headroom back there, good room. I mean, I know that front seat's forward a little bit, but still, you can definitely put 4 adults in here. And then you can see we do have only 4 seating. There's 2 seat belts in the back. You do have the child seat hooks there in the upper strap. So we do, just in case you do need to do a child seat, the car is equipped and ready to go. You can see we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound system standard. Also, let's see if we can pull this off. You do have your air vents back here. You can make them a little colder, a little hotter, and then you also do have a place you can charge one of your electrical devices if you want. Just get an adapter for it. And then Trish, go ahead and grab that seat belt. Competition package, you do get the striping on the seat belt, so kind of a cool touch. Okay, then what I'll do is let me go over here, help Trish go ahead and let her get out. Bring her back over here to the driver's side. Okay, switch hands with this gimbal. So we'll move the seat forward. There we go.
Right, thank you.
You're welcome. Cool, let's close this up. Let's go get Trish into the driver's seat. Let's do that. Cool. Man, this is a perfect car for you, Trish. We got to get you one of these, don't we? Cool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's go over the driver's door real quick before I swing around to the passenger side. So you can see we've got the contrast stitching, very nice, kind of bold, gives it a little bit more attitude. Obviously, you got your speakers here. It looks like your mids and your highs. I've also got a place here in the door. In the door here, we can put water bottles and things like that at a 45-degree angle. This one does have the rear sunshades. You just push the button. That'll go ahead and put it up when the door is closed. Then you got your windows and your mirrors. And then over here, obviously your lights. And then we have some of our driver's assistance packages. So our blind spot, lane departure, active driving assistant, which is a really cool feature. So, and you can see you got the M dead pedal there, M design down there. So we do have protective sticker on it right now. And in the seat that Trish is sitting in, so you got the highlights, got your width adjustment here, lumbar, then your memory for your two drivers, and also the nice M4 inside the door seal here. So very cool. And this one with the steering wheel here does have the heated steering wheel, so it's easy to get to, it's highlighted, easier to find. And then you got telescopic and tilt steering wheel. So I'll go ahead and go to the other side. Hey Trish, how about another rev time? Man, I'm telling you, that thing is awesome. Okay, let's go on and get inside. Okay, let's move this back. Give me a little leg room. How's it going, Trish?
Great.
Cool. All right, got the AC on. Oh, we also did a, what did we do, a cup holder test. As you can see, you definitely can fit a Vente in there very easily. And you can still get to the USB port.
Yes.
So as you can see, we do have one there up front. And then also in the armrest, we've always had our one there for years, and our aux, and also our wireless charging connector. So if you do have a Samsung or any of the Androids right now with the wireless charging, we do have cases for the iPhones that are out right now, so that way you can put it in a case and throw it in here. And then I heard there was rumors about maybe the iPhone 8 is maybe going to have wireless charging, maybe potential. So that'll be nice for all the iPhone users. And then the armrest does slide forward and aft, so it is adjustable to move forward for the shorter drivers. Got the good old handbrake, obviously. And then we do have our engine control buttons here that you can fine tune. Trish, what do we got there?
All right, so we have traction control here. This
Yeah.
is your engine management. So we have suspension and steering,
All that good stuff, huh?
park distance control.
And then you can adjust the double clutch transmission, what level of performance you want it at. Definitely got some deep cup holders. And we can move right up to the dual climate control. Adjust my gimbal here, as you can see, white lettering now during the day, and then it goes back to the traditional orange at night. Then we got our 8 shortcut buttons, very cool. So that way when you run your fingers across them up on the screen on the top of it, you can see them show up there, and you can sign them for different things. So when you do that, you can put an address, a phone number, whatever you might like to see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Trish back it up now.
Okay.
Let's do that.
So you're gonna move.
Let's see, let's watch Trish drive.
Oh, great.
Now, we got cameras, we got all kinds of stuff for her. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our iDrive system so we can watch the backup, and she's got it. So you can see we have the camera now with the iDrive 5.0. The camera is actually on the right-hand side. Sorry for the old cell phone here. My Note 4, guys, hopefully, and ladies, I'll be replacing it with an S8 very soon. So I know the criticism on my 2.5-year-old phone is still hanging in there. I know the focus isn't as quick as it used to be, but oh, there we go. Yeah, so then we'll have Trish back it up. She's gonna do, so let's go ahead and let's turn it around, Trish, actually. Let's give you a little bit of time. Watch that front. There we go. And we've got all the...
So this is gonna be a 20-point turn.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
There we go. Perfect.
Okay.
Wow, look at the color combo on that blue one there. That is a coupe. Check out that interior, guys and ladies, with that white piping. Wow, that is pretty cool looking. Looks like that's a Storal blue. And then we've got a very exclusive interior. So I can tell you one thing, we do try to order some very interesting combinations and everything. So definitely, if you are looking for a rare car, a rare combination, please send me an email. Definitely, I'd love to have the chance to sell you a car, be your car guy for the future. So Trish, what we'll do, let's go ahead and go back to, so we'll turn that off. And then how's our heads-up display?
Let's see if we can see it. So you can kind of see it right there.
Cool, yeah. There we go. There's a lot of different things that'll come up there. Your nav directions will come up there. You can go through your phone history up there. Entertainment, stations will come up there, and obviously the speed. And then the white box that's up there, that reads the street signs, lets you know what you should be traveling.
Yeah, so it'll actually show you the posted speed limit in the area that you're driving through.
Yeah, our active driving assistant is a feature where there's a camera up here. And what it'll do is it monitors the front, not just reading street signs, but obviously if you're driving too fast towards an object, it will warn you, and then it'll start to prime the brakes to help notify you that you are going too fast, and that hopefully you'll stop before anything should happen. Let's go ahead and show them the dash. I know our lighting in here isn't the best.
Let's do some rev time.
There we go. Yeah. Nice. Looks great. Now let's show them the steering wheel. It's one of our favorites. You've got your colored stitching. You got your awesome paddle shifters, voice command system phone, and you got your cruise control. All that. I think that's about everything there. Yeah, and you can see there's our screen for us with the upgraded 5.0 iDrive for the map with the Google imaging. Also, so let's see Trish. Cool, Trish. Whoop, our lighting isn't the best, but that is Trish.
Hello.
Okay, where can we follow you, Trish?
So you can follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, BMW_Trisha, and please tag me in your BMW photos. I love to see all of the personal driving cars that you have, and I try to look at all of them. So yeah, do that. Thanks so much.
Cool, great. Okay, let's head on outside. Do that, let Trish take off. Definitely in this fun vehicle. All right, hey, please share it on your other media sources. Definitely put it on Facebook. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.